Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share you how to use Chime app to manage your monthly budget. Gladly, Chime has already answered this for you, so you can go out and check out their blog if you want to read by yourself. So here's the title, How to Make a Budget in 8 Simple Steps. The first one is to figure out your net income. So what is a net income? Every budget starts with your income or the amount of money you receive in a month. This includes a regular paychecks and additional income source like a side hustle. Your net income, often called your take-home pay or net pay, is how much you earn after taxes and deduction. This figures provides a clear starting point where you are learning how to make a budget. And you can find your net income by checking your pay stub or your employer online payroll platform. And here's a Chime tip for you. If you don't receive income regularly, then calculate how much you have earned each month for the last 3 to 6 months and use the lowest amount for this month's budget. And you can update it later if you end up earning more. Now the next step is to calculate your monthly expense. So Chime give you like 3 categories, which is essential expense, non-essential expense, and savings and debt pay down. So essential expense is like the one which is non-negotiable fixed expense. So they also give like a title. So what are these essential expense? Like rent, mortgage, groceries, utilities, or transportation. So you can follow the 5-30-20 rules. 50% of your income should go towards this necessity. And non-essential expense, following the same rules, give you 30% of income toward your wants or non-essential expense, savings or debt payment. Give you 20% of income to savings and debt payments. And here's a Chime tip. Use their online loan payoff calculator to calculate how soon you can pay off existing loan. So you can go ahead and read this for yourself. And now the third step is set a realistic financial goal. There are 2 types of goals, which is short and another is long term. For short term, which is include a building an emergency fund, paying off credit card debt, or saving for vacation. And long term is include retirement planning, home ownership, or funding your child education. Once you have a list of goals, be specific about how much money you need and the timeline you want to achieve it. For example, if you plan to pay off $5,000 in credit card debit within a year, you will need to know how much to set aside each month. So you can also download their financial goal planner as well. Now the next step is choose a budget method. So they give you like 3 different methods you can try. The first one I have talked about for 50-30-20 budget, or the envelope method, and zero budget method. Go ahead and read this for yourself. And they also give you like a multi-budget planner for you. If you want to try this out, go ahead. Now the 5th step is to review and adjust your spending. So they say that now you have a clear view of your income and expense, you can adjust your budget to align 50-30-20 rules. And here are some highlights. First one is exam age expense. You can prioritize financial goals. You can analyze spending patterns and look strategic with leftover funds. Now the 6th step is track your budget regularly. So you can do this by daily or weekly updates or stay flexible. So your budget is like tool to evolve with your life. So keep it up to date and watch your financial control grow. Now the 7th step is keep up with the best practice for successful budgeting. First, as you continue reviewing and updating your budget, consider the following milestones to work toward, like build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety cushion for unexpected expense or emergency to stay financially secure and save enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expense. Then get the employer match on your 401k. And tackle high interest debt, then save at least 20% of your income. And if you read this out, you will have like a clear idea about how you can do your budget with Chime. Now, a budget can help you to control your financial life. So learning how to make a monthly budget is a significant first step towards your gaining control of your finance. So I believe Chime also gave you like a monthly budget planner and financial goals planner go ahead and try them. And if you want to read out this article, then check out their article using this headline. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.